Hey everyone, Rachel from Desert Blossom Crafts here. Today I want to show you how to make the simplest stitch in crocheting, the chain stitch. If you're a complete beginner with crocheting, then this tutorial is for you. Now you can see here I've already made a slip knot on my hook. This is the very first step before you make a chain. Now I have another video that explains how to do this, so if you don't know how to do it, be sure to check out that video. But for now we're going to learn how to make a chain, along with holding the hook and the yarn. So just a small disclaimer really quickly, there are different ways to hold the yarn and to hold the hook. I'm going to show you the way I do it. It is a very popular way, but just know that you can do it however feels comfortable to you. But the way I do it, I hold the hook over it like this. So my pointer finger is coming up, and I don't know, you could say it's over or under, but my pointer finger is kind of curling around the hook like this. But in my left hand is going to be holding the yarn, and this is called the working yarn. So this yarn you don't want to use at all because it's short, it's already been cut. You want to use the yarn that's attached to your skein. So in my left hand, I'm going to take this yarn, I'm going to wrap my pointer finger with it, like this. Then, so each finger kind of has its own function here. The pointer finger is going to be holding the yarn like this around it. Your pinky and your fourth finger are going to be controlling what's called the tension. So you kind of just want to squeeze the yarn down here, not too tight, but just a little bit so that it's not hanging all loose like this. So I have those two there, and then my middle finger and my thumb, I like to call them your pincher fingers. They're going to come and pinch this knot right here, the bottom of the slip knot. So just to review that again, the first thing you're going to do is wrap your pointer finger with the yarn, and your fourth and fifth fingers are going to hold it down here, and these two fingers are going to pinch the knot. Now I have my hook in my right hand and the yarn in my left hand. To make a chain, it's relatively simple. You're going to go under this yarn right here. You could say under or the left side of it, either way. And then you're going to pull your hook down through the loop. And there you can see it even looks like a little chain right there. That is your first stitch. Now to make more chains, you're just going to repeat those steps. You're going to go under or to the left, turn the hook, bring it down, and through. Now one helpful tip is to move your pincher fingers. If they stay down here, it'll get harder and harder to have an even chain. So you want to move them up every few stitches and hold right at the base here, and it'll help you get an even chain. So let me show you a little bit closer to the camera now. So I'm holding it here. I'm going under or to the left, I'm turning the hook, and I even keep turning it so that way it can catch this loop right here and pull it straight through easily. And you're just going to keep repeating those steps. So this is a little bit faster. See, now that I've done 3 or so, I'm going to move these fingers up, and I'm going to keep going. Under, turn, pull through. Under, turn, pull through. So you see we've made what actually looks like a chain, and that is the very first stitch you need to know with crocheting after you've learned how to make a slip knot. So thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel to make sure you see lots more videos.